Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. I've been working on the new bird gallery for a while now and it's finally time for an update. This will be part 1 and more parts will follow. I started with an empty garage on my property. It's totally not suitable for birds, but we are going to change that. First step, let's get some more natural light inside and a door for easy access. While I'll make my first cuts in the wall, I have a short announcement. We hit 3.5 million views on this channel. Thanks to you guys, and I just wanted to say,
well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you. After the door is placed, there's already a lot more light inside the garage. Now let's move on to the window. Natural light was one big problem in my last bird gallery. Therefore, it was the first thing I wanted to fix. In the meantime, I also laid down some pipes to have easy access to water and did all the electrical stuff. I think every animal owner knows how important it is to have water close by. This will save me a lot of trips toward the kitchen sink, like I had to do in the old bird gallery. The next step I did was to separate my garage into two parts. One part for the birds and still some room to use as proper garage for all our tools, bikes and other stuff. It was sad to leave my old bird gallery and to take it down piece by piece. We made so many good memories and great content for this channel in that room. However, working on the new space got me full of energy again, with a drive to make it even better this time. I learned a lot from the previous bird gallery, mistakes I will avoid this time and tips and just experience which will help me get an even better and also more practical room for my birds. But also making more content for this channel. Now it's time to insulate my garage. It can get pretty cold during the winter, like below freezing point. And I don't want to use a lot of energy, especially not these days, to keep it warm enough. The African and Australian finches really need a temperature above 10 degrees Celsius, and if you want to breed them, even a lot higher. The insulation makes it easier to maintain the right temperature even during the cold months. I insulated all the outside walls and the roof, making it a cozy and nice place for the birds. Then there was a short break because things needed to get fixed in the rest of the house, which is of course also pretty important.
One eternity later.
So the rest of the construction of the bird gallery was done in between the other projects. I also don't have a lot of footage of this phase, but I put in a completely new floor, put some wallpaper on the walls to give it a nice finish, and now it's time for the first cages. The Sierra parakeets already moved in and I made a sturdy frame for the cages to go on top. This frame will also function as the quail cages. I will show you how these are made in a separate video when they are completely done. These cages are the cages I just moved from my old place towards here. However, I will make 2 extra ones because I still have room at the top. A lot of you ask me where I bought these cages. Well, I made them myself. I will put a link in the description where you can have a tutorial on how to make them. I'm still quite happy with the previously built cages. The new cages will probably be pretty similar. However, there will be some minor adjustments. Eventually, I'm also planning to build 2 new indoor aviaries, but this will be done at a later date. That's it for now. Next time we will finish these cages and we will release the first birds inside the bird gallery. If you don't want to miss that, consider subscribing and hit that bell to get notified if I upload again. It's free and it also helps this channel out a lot. See you in the next video and remember to stay happy and always love your birds. Bye bye!